Hey everybody, how's it going? If you haven't already done so, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. It's James and mine's intent that we will distribute all profits made from this channel to various charities, because we believe that a high tide rises all boats. Now, let's get to the story. So we were in Costa Rica, and Jane and I, we drove to a soda. Now, a soda is a name for a typical open air, authentic Costa Rican restaurant. So while we're there, we was in such an authentic place that my Spanish was failing me, and we were having trouble ordering exactly what we want. So then this gentleman came over. He was sitting at the bar, and he came over and he started helping us out. And the guy was so cool. Anyway, long story short, him and his wife were sitting there. It turns out that he owned a fleet of charter fishing boats. So we talked to him and stuff. We asked him the prices. They were a little bit steep because he had some pretty big boat. And I think he gave us a really good price. I mean, I think he gave us about the best price he could give us. With that, he said, well, maybe we can go ahead and split the cost with some other fishers, and that way it'll cut your cost. And we said, I tell you what, just out of a gesture of goodwill, because you're giving us a good price, why don't you send two people with us that normally don't get a chance to fish because of the prohibitive pricing, and we'll pay for the whole boat. So he does it. So the next day we show up at Vela Pez Marina, and you're going to see another video about that marina. And it's a 36-foot boat. And on top of that, the two people he sends with us is a professional photographer, because he wanted to do some pictures for his website, and he sends a professional chef from the restaurant that we was eating at. Now, this professional chef, Jorge, he owns La Bloquera restaurant in Capos, Costa Rica. And on top of that, Raul, the owner of the fleet of boats, he gives us a captain, Tony. He gives us a qualified first mate, Carlos, and he gives us a second mate, Mario. So we're on this boat, and this boat is absolutely beautiful. It is decked out. We are really vibing. So on this particular day, I'll give you the spoiler alert. We caught 14 mahi-mahi, and we caught 7 tuna. Now, of those 21 fish, we caught and released all of them except for 4 of them. We kept for the boat to give to the crew, and then we kept a little piece for ourselves, and there's another story about that later. So, Jorge was the first person to catch the tuna. He catches the tuna on the boat. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. We're on this 36-foot boat. We're 40 miles outside. We catch our own tuna. They clean it on the boat, and he makes fresh sashimi. I mean, what a day. Why, Jorge? What do we have here? Fresh tuna sashimi. Thank you, my friend. I mean, we were killing it. So I just hope you like this video. I gotta tell you, it was the best single day of fishing that Jane and I have ever done. I will also, in the future, make another video about all you need to know about getting a charter fishing boat and what to expect, okay? So hey, have a great day. Remember to subscribe, and we will catch you in the next episode. Thanks a bunch, and bye.